Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Your girl is going through it right now, okay? Because about an hour ago, I sat on my curling iron. That was on. So I'm currently the definition of hot ass. But that is not why we're here. As you can see by the title, it is time for an influencer collab, and not just any influence, but good old cousin Jackie. I'm sure you all know by now that she has collaborated with Anastasia Beverly to create her own eyeshadow palette. Look at it. Look at the box to create her own eyeshadow palette. So let's go ahead and do a look. I'm pretty sure this is a box that you can just, like keep, like you can store your palette in there. And then this is what the actual palette looks like. Same type of packaging as the box. It's reflective like that. It's got her logo right there. And this is what the palette itself looks like. Alright, so let's start out with this pink shade called Supreme. And I was almost getting ready to say, it's Anastasia, the palettes. It's like once you try one Anastasia palette, like you've tried them all. But that's actually not true, because if you've seen her, I'm not sure why that was so aggressive. If you've seen her reveal video, she did say that these shades were made with deeper complexions in mind because sometimes the shades can be a little ashy once we start getting on deeper skin tones. Like if you guys remember the whole subculture gate there and like all the upset over that, my main issue wasn't even like the whole like blending or whatever everyone else was saying. It was the pigment with that palette, because that's more of their cool tone shadows out of all the palettes that Anastasia has done. And cool tones, not just Anastasia, but brands in general, cool tones, especially if we're talking like browns, stuff like that, usually show up pretty ashy on my skin tone. You know how many times I've done a look and it looks like it's a gray that's on my eyes, but really it was a brown. And then let's take a big wig in the crease, and we're just gonna stick her in right there. See, now I kind of want to see what would happen if I mixed Shookington and Wigglies, but I also don't want to end up with something that I don't like. But I feel like we also know that I live by YOLO over here on this channel, so we're gonna do it anyway. I think I'm gonna do Wigglies first and then put Shookington on top. Kind of just follow the same way that I went with the pink first and then purple. All right, let's try that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and if you're not new to my channel, what do we say about shimmers over here on this channel? If that shim isn't shimming, it's not a shimmer. I'm going to go ahead and pack that on. Wigglies on its own is giving you Christmas. It's giving you Valentine's Day. It's giving you summer. It's giving you hot girl summer. Look at that. Just a seasonal palette. And then I'm gonna take the purple on top of that. See, I feel like the two of those colors mixed together gave me what the two matte shades would look like mixed together. The Supreme and Big Wig, that pink and that purple, mixed together as my lid shade. But I do want to go ahead and add a little bit of credit to my outer corner. I do and I don't. I want to smoke it up a bit, but I'm kind of like, I kind of dig the, I don't know, what is this giving me? Space Girl type vibes? All right, let's see what credit is giving us. Start small there and work your way up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, clean up my eyes, do the rest of my face. I'm thinking of adding just Wigglies to my bottom line. We'll see. But let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back with my thoughts on the palette and I guess swatches, even though Jackie did swatches in her video, but I don't know. You guys seem to like swatches in my eyeshadow videos, and I guess it would be swatches on a different skin tone, so I'll be right back. Okay, so that is it for my face. I did end up using Wigglies on my bottom lash line. Now for the swatches, I want to put it out there again. I am not the best swatcher out there, right? So if you end up disappointed from these swatches, I'm most likely disappointed too. But I tried using shades that I didn't use on my eyes. So the first one is Lituation. That's what that shade looks like. And then Edges. Edges. And Pinker. And Sponsored. Just a very, y'all know that's Green is my favorite color there. And then here is Doulas. And this shade, which is the first shade in the palette, I don't remember how it's, oh wait, no, wrong finger. And then this shade is the first one in the palette. I don't remember how it's pronounced, so I'm not even gonna play myself there. Now for my thoughts on the eyeshadow palette, I'm really not surprised with how it played out. It's Anastasia Beverly Hills, and besides the one palette that they had that caused the internet to lose its mind, they've been known to produce, you know, good quality type products. But as far as what she says with the claims of, you know, deeper complexions being thought of more here as far as like pigmentation and stuff like that goes, I definitely feel like it's true. I definitely feel like you can tell a difference here. You know, the brown was brown there, okay? Not a brown gray, but a straight up brown. The mattes were pigmented, but my favorite thing with this palette has to be the shimmers. Those shimmers are shimming, okay? They're pigmented. They look like, you know, you've got like a glossy, not even glossy, but you know, your lids are shimming. That's the best way I can describe it there. I'm all the way here for it. They're buttery. I love these shimmers. Even the swatches, I'm here for the shimmers. I'm also here for the mattes too, but the shimmers is the biggest takeaway I'm getting from this palette. I do need to point it out there because, you know, people like hearing this, that the shadows are powdery. I know a lot of people don't like powdery shadows because that tends to lead to fallout, and fallout can be annoying to clean up on your face, and it can also, you know, cause like a waste of product there. I do my eyeshadow first and then I clean up my face anyway, and I'm not that worried about fallout. I am not, but I know other people are, so whenever I come across palettes that have that, I do throw that out there. But I do also find that shadows that are more powdery are usually more pigmented, so that's probably why they are powdery. And as far as, you know, the powdery goes, start out small and build your way up, because you can always, you know, create more pigment if you feel like you don't have enough. But when you just bam, throw it on your face there, and now you're just stuck with this deep purple in your crease. Like, how am I gonna blend this out? So that's that there. But yeah, other than that, it was pigmented, shows up nicely, everything blends nicely. I feel like that's pretty much it. Oh, and you know, the palette itself, as far as the colors go, I feel like it's very Jackie, so I'm not surprised. With the color selection there, it makes sense if you watch Jackie that it looks the way that it does. I'm really trying to get through this video without having a coughing fit, so if I'm talking weird, that's why. I'm just a hot mess today. All right, but that is it for this video. I hope seeing these shadows on my eyes, hearing some of my thoughts, you know, some of these swatches have helped. If any of you were thinking of checking it out for yourself, the palette itself is $45. The PR package is also on sale for $55. And yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. Congratulations to Jackie. This is huge. This is a huge step for her, for you, if you happen to watch this video. Proud of you. You deserve it. And yeah, I feel like that's it. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Hiya, I see you've made it this far in the video. So actually throughout the video, the palette that I was using is the one that I purchased myself during the Instagram soft launch that she had. And then today I received from Anastasia my PR of the collab because I'm on their PR list. I obviously don't need two. I mean, I could use two, because the last thing you want is for it to become a palette that you use every day and then it finishes, and you know, by the time it finishes, it's not available for sale anymore. So maybe I will purchase another one later on. But for right now, I don't need these two at the same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and give my PR away. So I'm gonna give away the actual collab, which is the same thing, and then the makeup bag, I believe this is, that comes with it. I guess to enter, you know, just be subscribed to my channel and thumbs up this video. And comment your Instagram or your Twitter name down below so that I have a way of, you know, contacting you to let you know that you won. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just be subscribed to this channel and thumbs up this video. Comment that down below so I can contact you some way. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I guess we'll have the giveaway open for a week. So today's Friday. Yeah, so next Friday it'll end and then I'll contact the winner on Saturday. We're making up the rules of this giveaway as we go. So be subscribed, like this video, comment down below, and it'll be open for a week. And I feel like that's pretty much it. So yeah, now this video's over.